Most kitchens are working way harder than they need to, chopping, slicing, mixing, wasting time on things that should take seconds. Today, I'm showing you the highest rated food processors on Amazon, the ones people actually keep, use every week, and swear by. These aren't trendy gadgets. They're real upgrades that make cooking faster, cleaner, and honestly, way more enjoyable. All the links are in the description. Stick around, because one of these completely changes how you prep food. This powerful kitchen system combines a full-size blender and a food processor to handle almost any recipe with ease. The 1500-watt motor delivers professional-level performance, crushing ice into snow, blending frozen fruits, and powering through tough ingredients without slowing down. The 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for large batches, smoothies, and entertaining, while the total crushing blade system delivers fast and even results in seconds. For everyday convenience, it includes two 16-ounce to-go cups with lids, making it easy to blend and take smoothies on the move. The 8-cup food processor bowl provides consistent chopping, pureeing, and mixing, and even handles dough, mixing up to 2 pounds in about 30 seconds. Multiple preset functions let you blend, mix, crush, or prepare single servings with simple controls. All removable parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and stress-free. You can get it for $156. This compact food processor delivers serious power for everyday prep. The 600-watt motor chops, blends, and purees meat, vegetables, onions, garlic, and baby food in seconds. A durable 10-cup stainless steel bowl handles large batches while staying lighter and tougher than glass. 2-speed one-touch control lets you choose coarse or smooth results with precision. 4-blade design cuts evenly and efficiently, while built-in safety protection prevents overheating or improper locking. Easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and designed to save time in busy kitchens. It works well for meal prep, sauces, dips, and everyday cooking without taking up much counter space at all easily daily. You can get it for $49.99. This electric food processor is built to handle everyday kitchen prep with speed and precision. A powerful 300-watt copper motor chops meat, vegetables, fruits, and baby food efficiently while staying compact on the counter. The set includes 3 stainless steel bowls designed for different tasks, keeping flavors separate and organized. A dedicated garlic peeling bowl saves time and effort, while sharp 4-blade S-shaped cutters ensure even processing. One press operation gives you full control over texture, from coarse to fine. Safety features prevent overheating and accidental starts, making it reliable for daily use. Dishwasher-safe bowls simplify cleanup and storage. Stays easy thanks to the nesting design. You can get it for $79.90. This compact food chopper is built for quick, everyday prep without cluttering your kitchen. The 1.5-cup size is perfect for onions, garlic, sauces, baby food, or small meat portions. Sharp stainless steel blades and a strong motor deliver fast, even chopping in seconds. A built-in safety lock keeps the unit from running unless the lid is secured, adding peace of mind. Cleanup is simple since the bowl and blades are dishwasher safe. The top refill opening lets you add oil or seasoning while blending, and the compact footprint stores easily in drawers or cabinets. It is ideal for single-serve meals and low-waste cooking. Easy storage. You can get it for $19.99. This premium Japanese blender is engineered for ultra-smooth results across a wide range of recipes. Its patented 45-degree diagonal blade system pulls ingredients into a continuous vortex, delivering consistent blends with no dead zones. 10 speed levels plus a pulse mode let you fine-tune texture for smoothies, soups, sauces, purees, matcha, and crushed ice. The BPA-free Triton jar is lighter than glass, highly durable, and locks securely in place with a smart safety lid that prevents operation unless fully engaged. With a 32-ounce capacity, it is ideal for daily use without taking up excess space. Designed and manufactured in Japan, it meets UL safety standards and cleans easily by hand or in the dishwasher. You can get it for $399.99. This all-in-one kitchen combo is built for versatility without cluttering your counter. It combines a large food processor bowl for chopping vegetables, grinding meat, and kneading dough with a powerful glass jar blender for smoothies, sauces, and frozen drinks. The 600-watt motor delivers steady performance with 2 speeds and a pulse mode, giving you precise control for different textures. Safety is built in through a dual locking system that prevents operation unless everything is secured correctly. Commercial-grade stainless steel blades handle daily prep with ease, while simple one-touch controls keep operation intuitive. Cleanup is straightforward, making it practical for everyday cooking. You can get it for $72.24. This compact food chopper is designed for fast daily prep without taking over your counter. The 4-cup bowl handles vegetables, onions, garlic, sauces, and even small portions of meat with ease. A 400-watt motor powers 2-speed control, letting you switch between gentle chopping and stronger processing depending on the ingredient. 4 stainless steel blades arranged on 2 levels deliver faster and more even results than standard designs. The included whisk attachment adds flexibility for beating eggs, whipping cream, or mixing light batters. A drizzle opening in the lid lets you add liquids while blending, perfect for dressings and sauces. The handled bowl and included spatula make handling and scraping simple, while built-in overheat protection adds peace of mind. It is a practical option for everyday cooking when you want speed, control, and versatility in one small appliance. You can get it for $43.99. This food processor is built for fast prep and consistent results in everyday cooking. The 10-cup bowl handles large batches easily, making it ideal for family meals or meal prep without constant stopping. A built-in bowl scraper keeps ingredients close to the blades, so chopping and pureeing stay even while saving time. The wide feed chute lets you process larger foods like whole blocks of cheese with less pre-cutting. A stainless steel S-blade chops, mixes, and purees smoothly, while the reversible stainless steel disc slices and shreds with precision. 2 speed settings plus pulse control give you flexibility for soft or firm ingredients. Powered by a reliable 450-watt motor, it delivers steady performance without feeling complicated. Simple controls and dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup easy. This processor balances capacity, control, and convenience in one compact countertop machine. You can get it for $54.95. This food processor is designed to make everyday prep faster while keeping control simple and safe. It includes 2 8-cup bowls, 1 stainless steel, and 1 glass, so you can separate meats from vegetables without cross-use. A patented push-button design reduces hand strain and gives steady control during chopping. The 2-speed system lets you switch between softer ingredients and tougher foods in seconds. A full copper motor delivers reliable power, while the smart overheating protection light gives clear feedback to prevent damage and extend motor life. Dual S-shaped stainless steel blades handle chopping, mixing, and grinding with consistent results. Built-in safety stops the blades instantly when the motor is lifted, adding peace of mind during use. Easy-to-clean removable parts and a compact footprint make it practical for daily cooking. This processor balances versatility, safety, and efficiency in one setup. You can get it for $39.99. This compact food chopper is built for fast, everyday prep without complications. Its patented stack and press design lets you start chopping with a simple push on the lid and stop instantly when you release. No twisting or locking required. The 3-cup bowl is ideal for daily tasks like onions, herbs, nuts, sauces, dips, and baby food, while staying small enough for easy storage. Stainless steel blades handle chopping, pureeing, and emulsifying with consistent results. A built-in oil dispenser on the lid makes dressings and sauces smoother without stopping the process. The 350-watt motor delivers enough power to tackle tougher ingredients while keeping control precise. Cleanup is straightforward since the bowl, lid, and blades are all dishwasher safe. It is a practical choice for quick prep when a full-size processor is unnecessary, priced at $24.95. This food processor is built for power and precision in everyday cooking. With a peak 1,000-watt motor, it handles tough ingredients smoothly, from dense vegetables to heavy doughs, without slowing down. The Auto IQ technology removes guesswork by offering 4 smart one-touch programs designed for chopping, slicing, pureeing, and dough, delivering consistent results every time. Its 9-cup processor bowl is ideal for family meals, meal prep, or entertaining, letting you work in larger batches and save time. Precision stainless steel blades are engineered for even cuts and balanced textures, whether you are slicing vegetables or creating silky sauces. The dedicated dough blade makes preparing bread or pizza dough simple and efficient at home. A wide food chute with pusher speeds up prep and reduces the need for pre-cutting. All removable parts are BPA-free and dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and stress-free. The modern silver finish and durable build fits seamlessly into any kitchen setup. You can get it for $129.99. This compact food chopper is designed for quick, everyday prep when you only need small portions. The 1.5-cup bowl is ideal for chopping herbs, fruits, vegetables, nuts, breadcrumbs, or chocolate without taking up counter space. Its one-touch pulse control makes operation simple. Press to chop and release to stop instantly. Dual-level stainless steel blades stay sharp over time and deliver consistent results for fine or coarse textures. The 150-watt motor provides reliable power for light kitchen tasks without overprocessing. Built-in oil drizzle holes let you add oil gradually while mixing hummus, dressings, or sauces with less mess. The improved blade assembly and secure lid enhance stability during use. Cleanup is easy since the removable bowl, lid, and blades are dishwasher safe. Available for $16.99. This all-in-one kitchen system combines full-size blending, single-serve smoothies, and food processing on one smart base. Vessel recognition technology automatically detects which attachment is in use and lights up the exact programs you need, removing guesswork from prep. The high-performance motor delivers the power needed for silky smoothies, soups, nut milks, and purees, while also driving precision blades that chop, slice, shred, and knead with control. Each container has simple, dedicated programs, so you always select the right mode, whether blending or processing. The food processor attachment includes a 7-cup work bowl, dual-size food pusher, and blades for chopping, shredding, slicing, and dough, all stacking neatly inside the bowl for compact storage. The 64-ounce blending pitcher features a vented locking lid, allowing safe blending of hot ingredients plus an easy pour spout to reduce spills. All jars, cups, and bowls are made from durable BPA-free plastic and are dishwasher safe for fast cleanup. Priced at $179.99, it is a versatile solution for everyday cooking and meal prep. With a powerful 1200 peak watt motor, this Ninja Professional XL food processor is built to handle tough ingredients with ease. The 4 Auto IQ preset programs remove guesswork, allowing you to chop, slice, shred, puree, and mix dough with one touch. Ninja Blade technology delivers even processing and consistently mixed dough for reliable results every time. The extra-large food chute with a 3-part pusher fits ingredients of different sizes, reducing prep time and speeding up workflow. A reversible shredding disc lets you choose fine or coarse textures, adding flexibility for vegetables, cheese, and more. The 12-cup precision processing bowl is ideal for family meals and entertaining. Cleanup is simple since the bowl, lid, blades, and discs are dishwasher safe. Priced at $199.99, it is a high-performance option for serious home cooking. Small in size but surprisingly powerful, this 4-cup electric food processor is designed for fast, efficient, everyday prep. It features 2 speed settings, letting you use speed 1 for soft foods like fruits and vegetables, or speed 2 for tougher ingredients such as meat and nuts. With a 4-blade double S design, ingredients are chopped evenly and quickly, usually in just 6 to 10 seconds. This compact processor goes beyond basic chopping, allowing you to puree, prepare sauces like pesto or avocado dip, and even make baby food. It includes 2 separate 4-cup bowls, making it easy to process vegetables and meats separately without mixing flavors. The food-grade bowls are durable and safe, while the non-slip base keeps the unit stable during use. It operates with low noise and is easy to maintain, since the lid, bowl, and blade assembly are removable and simple to rinse clean, with dishwasher-safe blades. Priced at $35.99, it is a practical and versatile choice for quick kitchen tasks. Designed for speed, simplicity, and everyday versatility, the Hamilton Beach Stack and Snap food processor removes the frustration from food prep. Its smart stack and snap design eliminates twisting and locking, allowing the bowl and lid to click securely into place in seconds. A built-in function guide clearly shows which blade to use and which button to press, so there is no guesswork when switching between chopping, pureeing, slicing, or shredding. The large 12-cup sealed bowl prevents leaks, making it ideal for sauces, soups, and dressings, and includes a convenient pour spout for clean serving. A wide mouth feed chute fits whole foods like blocks of cheese or large vegetables, reducing prep time and extra cutting. Powered by a strong 450-watt motor, it offers low and high speeds, plus a pulse option to handle everything from soft ingredients to tougher foods with control and consistency. BPA-free construction and stainless steel blades make it a reliable and practical choice for daily cooking at $75.95. This all-in-one baby food maker steams, blends, grinds, and sterilizes in a single device, making homemade baby meals fast and stress-free. The elevated steam basket supports true steaming to help preserve essential nutrients and water-soluble vitamins. Smart digital controls offer automatic and manual blending modes, so you can easily adjust texture as your baby grows. Made from heat-resistant Triton, the bowl is BPA-free, odor-free, and safe for daily use. Compact yet versatile, it also works for steaming vegetables, making juice, and light food prep for the whole family. At $78.99, it is a practical and thoughtful gift for new parents who value healthy homemade meals. This compact KitchenAid food chopper is built for quick, everyday prep. The 3.5-cup work bowl includes a locking stainless steel blade, easy grip handle, and a pour spout for clean serving. 2 speeds plus pulse let you control texture, from chunky pico de gallo to smooth hummus or creamy dressings. The drizzle basin allows liquids to be added while processing. Dishwasher-safe parts, small footprint, and simple cord wrap make storage and cleanup effortless. Priced at $44.99. This compact KOIOS food processor features a powerful 500-watt pure copper motor with dual-level S-shaped blades that chop, mix, puree, and grind evenly in about 10 seconds. It includes two 8-cup bowls, one stainless steel, and one glass, so you can process different foods without mixing flavors while saving counter space. 2 speed modes give better control for soft or hard ingredients. Built-in safety lock and overheat protection add peace of mind. And all bowls and blades are dishwasher safe. Priced at $30.99. This Ganiza food processor is a true everyday kitchen helper designed to handle multiple prep tasks with ease. It includes 2 matched 8-cup bowls, 1 glass, and 1 stainless steel, plus 2 stainless steel blade sets for chopping meat, fish, vegetables, nuts, frozen fruit, salads, and guacamole without mixing flavors. The 450-watt full copper motor delivers fast, consistent results while lasting longer than standard motors. A patented auto-stop safety system ensures the blades stop instantly when the motor is lifted, adding protection for families. Built-in overheat protection automatically pauses operation if needed, helping extend product life and maintain safe performance. 2 speed settings allow better texture control, turning ingredients into fine or coarse results in seconds. Detachable parts make cleaning quick and simple. You can get it for $34.99. This KitchenAid food processor is built for precision and everyday versatility in a compact, counter-friendly design. The stainless steel multi-purpose blade locks securely in place, allowing you to chop or puree with control and pour cleanly without mess. With the included whisk attachment, you can whip, beat, and stir ingredients like heavy cream in about 30 seconds, making it easy to prepare sauces, dressings, or light toppings. 2 speed options plus pulse give you full control over texture, whether you want chunky pico de gallo or smooth hummus and creamy spreads. The drizzle basin lets you add liquids gradually while processing, helping emulsify dressings and sauces evenly. Its small footprint and built-in cord wrap make storage simple when you are done. The KFC 0516 model includes a 5-cup work bowl with handle and pour spout, a lid with drizzle basin, the stainless steel blade, and the whisk attachment. Available for $84.99. Built for serious home cooks, this Cuisinart food processor delivers power, capacity, and precision in one reliable machine. Its 720-watt motor easily handles demanding tasks like kneading dough, shredding cheese, slicing vegetables, and pureeing soups, hummus, or guacamole with smooth, consistent results. The large 14-cup Lexan work bowl is ideal for family meals, batch cooking, or entertaining without constant refilling. Simple on and off pulse controls give you direct control over texture, while the extra-large feed tube with small and large pushers reduces prep time by accommodating bigger ingredients. Included stainless steel accessories cover everyday needs: a standard slicing disc, a medium shredding disc, and a chopping and mixing blade. All removable parts are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup, and the unit is completely BPA-free for added peace of mind. This is a classic, high-capacity processor designed to handle everything from quick prep to heavy-duty kitchen work. Available for $299.06.